What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. We are currently on our way to the legendary Sam Rayburn Reservoir. Currently getting the GoPro ready, getting it charged up, getting everything set up. We're stopping at Whataburger, got to get the goods. We got a really late start today. We were supposed to leave the house around 5:30 in the morning and be here on 7, and it's 12:20, if that tells you anything. It's the middle of the day, sun's way up in the air, but we're still gonna get it done. We'll be flipping those grass mats. Is that what we're gonna be doing, Jackson?
Hopefully.
What we're gonna do, and we're gonna catch that big one. So stay tuned, I'll see y'all at the boat ramp. And we're at the boat ramp now. Just got here, it's like 1:20. We got held back like a lot because there was like this big oversized load thing, and there was like a lot of traffic holding it up. Anyway, we're here at the boat ramp, and I didn't know that, but like I've launched here before with a couple of my friends, or a couple of my parents' friends. We launched at this exact same launch here in a little bit.
Did you catch that on Senko?
Gotta get underwater release here. Figure it out. How's it going?
Hi, 2 microfish. If I catch a 3-pounder, I guess I'm beating you, huh?
No.
Yeah.
All right. Largemouth. Largemouth.
Oh yeah. The good stuff. Come on. Nasty.
We're about to get lit up. We're gonna be late home, but I don't care.
Yeah.
This is about to be worth it.
Cast over there,
It's gonna be close.
You make it. Is that bait you scared, Dad?
Turn it off continuous. We won't move as long as we stay right here. See? That's what you don't do. I hope he hits a stump. Kentucky! Kentucky! Butterball! Oh, he's got blue. What the heck?
Goodbye, water before we ride.
What? Hey, brother. Karma's a you know what.
He can hear that.
I don't care. Yeah, I hope he hears it. I hope he hears it. He hears it.
You gotta learn some respect.
Wait, he needs to learn some respect. What do you mean?
Like, you need to learn to be quiet.
He needs to learn some respect. Don't tell me to learn some respect. That guy just came in going 40 into a tiny cove.